Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to email customer service at booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. For this, all you have to do is open the Gmail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, at the bottom left corner, you can see a small pencil-like option with Compose written on it. Tap on it. Then on the toolbar, all you have to do is type in customerservice@booking.com. Then tap on it. Now you have to give a precise subject and compose an email. Then on the top right corner, you can see there's send button. Just tap on it and send your email. And guys, that's it. That's how you email customer service at booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.